Only me. Wow, what only? Wow, wow, wow. Oh. Wow, 冷たっ。
Filipino head wash. Apa only? Apa only? Now. Right? Sorry. Okay.
Ayun. You can't say love. Love. Kasi siya,
Miss ka din.
yung boy namin, I get yung chance na may love, diba? Mag-maagat na yung love, 17.
Opo.
Ano yung learnings mo?
Na hindi po pala talaga hinahadali yung sabihin or pagmamahal sa isang tao, hindi naman kamag-anak yung magiging partner mo in the future. Parang, ano po, it's a process po talaga. Kailangan makilala mo muna yung sarili mo bago mo sila kilalanin or yung pamilya niya or kumaga, kailangan mo ready ka talaga. Kasi kapag hindi ka ready, may
It's a very big
times,
responsibility.
it's a big responsibility po na huwag mo magkaroon ka ng anak, tapos magkaroon ka rin niya. Kumbaga, it's a lifetime responsibility. You can create take time.
そんなことはないです。丁寧にしてくださってます。
Sabi rin ng sa inyo, sabi rin ng ano, sabi rin Take it slow. Take it slow.